Hey everybody, yes, I've just did a video, watched it a couple of hours later and my ear was bleeding because I cut it shaving. But I like the video, so pre-warned on this pre-ab, right? I've cut my ear, but try and ignore it because it's quite a good video. Thanks very much, see you later guys. Good morning, how are you this morning? I'm up bright and early with my hair looking like this as normal. Right, let's get straight to it. I'm gonna talk about Heat Defense Leave-In Spray Argan Oil. That was purchased for me as a Christmas present 4 weeks ago now, I think. Is it? Yeah, by Mo. Yeah, Mo. You know Mo that does the vlogs for me. Baby wipes on the hairline. He gave it to me as a Christmas present a few weeks ago. So I've yet to try it, so I'm going to try it today. But initially I want to talk about where I came to and got to my factory. I, as you know, used to have go to a company that was quite expensive, and cut a long story short, I used to play sport for a living, had an injury, had to find something to do, so I kind of like fell into this, which was the last thing I expected to do. And I was watching this program because I had this poly system on me, and I was watching this program in the United States. It's Hollywood Film and Theatre, and I saw Sean Connery in The Medicine Man and applying the lace system, and it was nothing like mine. I mean, it's like night and day. So I took it upon myself to contact the people, and I took a punt. So it was Hollywood Film and Theatre, but there was a function or a seminar going on in New York, so I thought, right, I'm going to go there, have a holiday, and take a punt and go and see the guy, right? And as it happened, the factory that supplies or services the film industry, he was there as well. So I went and seen him. Anyway, I pitched to the guy, his name's Shugan, and said, you know, this is what I'd like to do, and I've seen your product, and it's fantastic. And he said, well, thanks very much, I can't do it. And I said, what do you mean you can't do it? He said, well, my big accounts won't like it. You just can't walk in and have a product off me. My big accounts will be saying, well, why should this guy have it? And I basically said, well, you know, I've flown all the way from the UK to see you, and that impressed him a little bit. And then I hit him with, well, how did you start? So I did a little bit of research, even though back then it was difficult. This was 1995, I believe. Yeah, 1995. Did a bit of research, found out that he started pretty much on his own, taking the, I hate to use this word, the wig. Did I really say that? Can I just say ig? The wig qualities from the UK back to the Far East, because everything was getting expensive to make in the UK, and developed the business from our expertise, and then took it from there. Now that was 50 years ago. The guy's now 70, 75, and he's still my mentor. So pretty much that is how I came across this product, which I really like, and it's looking pretty good with this, and I do like it. I'll let you know what it's like for the oil. Let's say about how I came across the factory. Sean Connery, Medicine Man, Hollywood Film and Theatre, which is their biggest account, and I went and begged pretty much. And finishing on this note, he gave me outrageous targets. I want you doing 400 items a month. But he didn't quite understand that, you know, when there's a film being made, there's 6,000 extras with shocking things on the head. To him, that's an item. This is specialised. So I pretty much said, yes, I can do that when it was outrageous targets. But then he saw the difference and understood that this is different. People just don't walk in and go ahead. Well, they certainly did in the 90s. They do a little bit more now. But so anyway, kind of manoeuvred a little bit. And now worldwide, 2 or 3 times a year, I reach those targets. So 24 years on, I've reached them. Which is 24 years on, which just being honest. So there's a bit of history about the factory. I love the product, as you know. Look after it. I'm really liking the way this is gone through, the Argan Oil Heat Defense Leave-In Spray. Mo, thank you very much for my Christmas present. I finally got to use it. Take care everybody, see you next week.